Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is kind of like a little self-care, house maintenance, cleanup type of ordeal that I have going on in today's video. So just jumping right into it. I am gonna start off by like just waxing my armpits, bring you guys along with me for my day. Yeah, I feel like I haven't waxed in probably like a month and a half, and it definitely shows. But while you guys are still here and have my attention, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. We're literally 8 subscribers away from doing the giveaway. It's going to be for either a $100 gift card, or I'll send you $100 in Cash App, however you guys prefer. I'm just giving away $100. That's how it's going to work. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a fat thumbs up, and make sure you also drop a comment down below in the comment section so I know that you have subscribed to the channel. But yeah, like I said, jumping right into it. So like the wax, I'm actually show you guys the wax that I use too. I don't use like a fancy wax or anything like that. I just buy something off of Amazon. This says it's hair removal and skincare wax. Just the hard wax beads is what I get. And then I have like a little wax burner that I use that I put these beads in. But it's pretty simple, straightforward. So yeah, like looking at them, they aren't super terrible, but it's a lot of hair for me. That's like a month of growth there. This one is kind of the same. So I just get a little bit of wax on my stick and I wipe it down. And I do one arm at a time. I'm gonna do this one, let it dry, and then I'll do the other one. Sorry that I'm sniffling. It's like super cold here in Ohio. It literally was maybe 70 degrees like 2-3 days ago. It's like 30 and 40 degrees now. So it's freezing. And that is just Ohio weather for you guys. Alrighty, so I think it's ready. And I'm about to pull it off. So, I don't know if you guys can even see that. That's the hair that I pulled off of there. The little follicles there, yep, there you go. Honestly, with one swipe, it kind of got it all clear. So I'm going to go over it with one more. I'm just going to pull this one off again. I went and grabbed some powder too, because like with 2 pulls it should have pulled everything off. And it didn't, so that possibly means that I have like oils or whatever sitting under here. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of that on. That seemed like way too much, honestly. We're gonna try it again for a third time, see if it clears everything off. Alrighty. That actually did it that time. I got a lot of that out. So it's clean. And I'm gonna move over to the next one. I'm gonna put powder on as a precautionary in advance. Jesus Christ, getting it all over my shoulder. All over my shirt. Same for this, putting it on. I'm just letting it dry out. Or harden up some, should I say. And I'm gonna peel it off. So with that one, it peeled off that much. And now I'm gonna do a cleanup strip. And I pulled off everything else. Trying to get the little leftover stuff off. So that's just it for me and how I wax my armpits. I'll definitely go shower, make sure I clean everything up. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. That wax doesn't hurt me at all. Doesn't mean that it won't hurt the next person, but it's very decent wax to me. And then this is the wax container that I use. It's kind of like a little like Chinese or foreign country type of little wax machine. I've had it for like 8 years and it works great. It has like a little bucket thing in it that you put the wax in. So it's not actually obviously getting in the burner. But yeah, this thing like works great. Like I said, it hasn't given me any problems. I had it for probably like 8 years now so far. And it has the little lid to cover it up, keep the heat in. It has like even a little Foreign Country plug-in changeover kit little thing, because this is what the original plug looks like. And they give you this adapter for it to convert it over into like the US plug. So yeah, that's it for my little wax session for you guys. But I'm about to go make us something to eat, and then I'll come back after I make us something to eat and show you guys what we're doing next for the day. Y'all, it's like super cold here. I know I already said it earlier, but it's like freezing. But I'm in our garage. It sounds like super echoey because we kind of pulled everything out of here and painted it and whatever. I know y'all can see like that nasty school bus yellow is what I call it. So we kind of did our whole garage that color. So it's kind of what it's looking like right now. We got a little traffic light up there that I brought home. That does work. Yeah, this is kind of like everything that we're organizing. We're gonna put that stuff in our shed. This is kind of everything so far. But yeah, I'm about to open this garage door and actually move some of this stuff so we can get it all down to our shed. I don't know where to set you guys up at. We also got a car yesterday. It's a Honda Civic. I'll show you guys that a little later on. It is freezing out here. Excuse my pants. This is kind of like my work pants that I do work around the house in. They got like a big rip in them. But yeah, I'm about to go get our keys to our car so we can move them. So we can move the cars out the driveway. But yeah, stuff in our shed. Put up some shelves and whatnot. Huh? He want me to go look at something else. Let me go see what he need. We got too much going on right now. Is it crazy?
Oh. I had 4-cylinder, and I don't know how.
Oh, it's a 4-cylinder?
Yeah, but look just look how clean the motherfucker is.
Look at the, is that the...
Yeah, that's the Cadillac converter. O2 sensor.
Only one? No, I got two.
Two, yeah. But look how clean it is. Boy, I ain't never seen no motor this pristine.
I was gonna wait to show y'all, but I guess we showing it right now. 0W20.
Yeah. Lightweight oil, real windshield wiper fluid go here. That's weird as hell. Like the jug sits right here in the center. You crash.
This car definitely different. What it have on it? 36 miles when we got it?
Yeah, it's probably like
it got like
40, 50 miles on it.
Yeah. I don't know.
This thing got grease right here. Holy grease.
Oh, from it being off the thing.
Yeah, look how clean it is. I've never seen no motor this clean.
I thought he was telling me something was wrong with it. I don't even think. No, I won't let you. Oh, yeah, it will. Here you go. Oh, no, it won't. Yeah, it got 59 miles on it. Oh, it won't even focus. There we go, 59 miles. But that was literally from the drive home. When we got it, it had 36 miles on it. But I'm like really dirty because I'm outside doing stuff, so I don't want to be in here. It's a 2024 Honda Civic. But yeah. And it's like, what was that blue called? Aquinta? Aquan blue, something like something of that nature. It's still a sticker down here on the hood release.
Yeah, no. I just can't believe how clean this phone is.
It legit looked like a rental car. It got like the airbag warning sticker over there. Yeah, right there. That's the little touch screen that it got. I couldn't tell you all the features this car got. Not one bit. You got the little USB, the 12 volt.
There's so many marks on her to make sure that they line everything up.
Just the little vent things. The radio stuff. Oh, here go the trunk button. Right here on the door. Yeah.
And the gas, you just push it in.
Oh, the little thing here.
Open.
The capless. What's this thing? Oh, I just touched it. Oh, that's to keep it closed. It's causing havoc.
I just cannot believe how clean this is. Like, it's so unmolested. Like, look at all the marks. They make sure they marked everything to make sure it's in line. Like, these hoses probably come with those green dots we never really paid attention to. Like, man, this is crazy. Cooling is a little low, though.
Where's the filling?
Max right here. But you see it on the other side.
Oh. New battery, everything. Brake fluid, cleanest jug I've ever seen in my life.
So the other side is just clean.
The wind blowing and a plane flying over top. About to go back down here to the shed and put this shelf up. But yeah. Oh, those are like military planes. I don't even know if I can show y'all. Or if y'all can see them. Yeah, there they go. There's one of them there and one there. They going. Yep, I'm just about to put a little shelf up in here right there. I'm gonna show y'all when I get done with it, what it look like.
I don't know if she showed y'all before and after. But we finally done with it. A lot of overspray, but it's alright. I ain't worried about certain things. She had to show y'all before.
Just finished organizing the garage and putting everything in our shed. We about to go get cleaned and leave the residence. Oh, look, I realized that they got a tripod. It's on the tripod.
Look, man.
That's crazy.
Forget what she talking about. I ain't cleaning nothing. I don't shower ever. No, I'm just playing. But no, yeah, we got everything done. I'm tired. I ain't doing nothing else but partying for the rest of the night. Getting drunk. They're gonna call me double stacks by the end of the night. Nah, that's good code. You look at it at the bottom. Peace.
So we're about to, I don't know, go to the hardware store or whatever. I don't know where exactly all we're going today. But I'm just showing y'all my outfit after I got cleaned up and dressed. I have on this little white sweater, tucked partial of it in, this little green puffer jacket, these jeans, they're like super distressed and ripped. And they have like a little slit on the inside, and a flare on the back for the sides, and like my little green Ugg boots that I'm wearing. And that is it. I'm not putting on a necklace or anything. Got my Apple Watch I always wear. And then I'm carrying my little camel colored purse with all of this. And that's it. So we're about to head out. I will bring you guys along and show you wherever or whatever we're about to do. So, see you on the next clip. We're at a place called Sababa getting something to eat. They got all their food covered actually.
What's up, man? Hey, let me do let's do pickles.
This is my food. That is food. We got sweet tea to drink. We are at Iron Pony now. Coming in here to look at some helmets and eye protection, I think it is, for four-wheelers and whatnot. Show y'all once we get in here. We're looking at all of these helmets right now. Trying to figure out which one we want. I don't know. We're not having much luck in here. We're looking at all of these, and they don't have what we're looking for. And the ones that they do have what we're looking for, they don't got them in our size. We found two of them. We got lucky. We had to go to a different partner store to find them. But we found them. So yeah, we set now.
Hey, and we not bougie. We getting the cheap ones. We getting the cheap ones so we can make sure that if we beat it up, we not hurting.
Right.
Because they just four-wheeler helmets.
That's it. Kinda on a little hunt for some solar eclipse glasses. This is my hunter. We're hunting. We'll let you know if we find some though. About to go to the hardware store. See if they got some there. The sun is like real nice out today. But it's super cold out. Was it like 40, 50 degrees? I think it's warmer than that. No, it don't. Yeah, it's 52 degrees. It's a little chilly out.
Come on. Let's go.
My head is spinning. Ooh, I can't stand up.
You gotta stand up.
I can't. I promise you I can't.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Everything feels so heavy.
Come on, let's go. Yeah, how you feeling?
That's why you want to go get it.
Yeah, that's all we gotta say.
Y'all, it's the next day in the video. I forgot to close out last night. We just went to Cooper's Hawk and went to go play like Keno at a bar after we left Cooper's Hawk. So we just had a chill rest of the night last night. But that is going to be it for this video. Again, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you also subscribe to my channel so you have a chance at entering the giveaway, and share this video with everybody you know. I'll see you guys in next week's video.